YouTube family. We here once again, man. We here once again with a unboxing video. Y'all already know what type of shoe it is, but y'all don't know what shoe it is, man. It's a million and one shoes that this could be. But hey, glad to have y'all with your boy. I am Jay the Sneaker Guy for those of y'all who do not know. And if you do not know, this might be your first time pulling up. So if it is your first time pulling up, man, hey, make sure you join the fam. Hit that subscribe button. We on the road to 100K. Hey, big shout out to everybody. As I mentioned in my recent video, we did hit that 60K mark not too long ago, man. So hey, I appreciate from the bottom of my heart each and every one of y'all, man. But yes, man, hey, your boy is feeling good as always, man. Hey, I'm breathing, I'm alive, I'm blessed. Make sure y'all hit that like button if y'all are feeling the same way, man. If you breathing, if you able to watch this video, man, hey, give it a thumbs up, man, because look, you blessed, man. But yes, man, your boy is blessed. I am swapped and I'm ready to rock, man. So let's go ahead and see what your boy done picked up, man, from GOAT. Bad, or is that a GOAT? Never mind me, man. Let's check it out, bro. Oh, whoa, you almost took me out, my guy. But I appreciate you. Hopefully everything in tip-top shape. You feel me? Hopefully. Bang! Here we go, man. We do got a box here. Your boy did go over to GOAT, and I did pull a trigger. You know, I probably bought these about 2 weeks ago or so, right before the re-release. Because if you know, not too long ago, Nike Sneakers Day, they had a whole bunch of, I don't want to say unnecessary shoes, because some people did get things that they did not get previously. But to me, besides like 1 or 2 shoes, it was kind of like unnecessary. There was no like heat on there. And you know your boy Jay is a hype beast, right? I'm a hype beast, right? But they ain't have no heat on there to say. But it was alright. It was alright. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and pop this box open. As I did say, this shoe did release as a part of that little restock, but your boy was unable to hit nothing new. I wasn't surprised at all, because I don't hit on the sneakers up, man. So I don't even be tripping, man. I just go over to my apps that I have to go to, put my praying hands together, and hopefully they send me some good shoes as far as them being legit and as far as them being in good tip-top condition. Because you know how them apps get, but them apps will send you some shoes straight off their feet, straight off a worker's feet, man. But anyways, man, y'all seen the thumbnail. It is the same box. Opening it up, you see it right there. You see it right there, but do you know what it is? Do you know? Let's go ahead and pull it out, man. We ain't gonna waste that much time. Because y'all be getting on me about these unboxing videos, man. But look, your boy has to waste a little bit of time, man, and drag it out, because, man, gotta make it interesting, man. But anyways, taking a look at, hold on. Before I do all this, let me get my little thumbnail. You know your boy gotta get his thumbnails right, so. Alright, I think we good with the thumbnails, man. But yes, Nike box, regular Air Jordan 1 Nike box. But what we have in here, we do have the Air Jordan 1 low life. Air Jordan 1 Low OG. Color blocking is white, black, ghost, green. I just gave it away. So yes, man, your boy added these to the collection. I had a bid in for a couple days or so, man, and it ended up getting accepted. So your boy got these. I think I paid like what, $180 after the shipping fees and all that stuff, and that ain't that bad, man. But you know, lid, take a look at it, lot number on it, blah blah, nothing special about it. Regular Air Jordan 1 stuff, man. It's taking a look at the shoe, white shoe paper on there, and what we got beneath that, we got some upside down shoes. But bang, man, we got the Air Jordan 1 Low in the ghost green colorway, man. Bang, here we have them, man. The Air Jordan 1 Low ghost greens, man. Hey, I ain't gonna hold you, man. I don't know why this shoe is going for such a low price right now on the resale market, man, because this is actually a dope shoe, bro. This is actually a dope Jordan 1 Low in my opinion, man. And I do, look, mark my words, man, this video is gonna be up, so it's gonna be sticking around. When you go back to this video a little bit down the line from now, you see those prices over there? Those prices are gonna be nothing like that. Mark my words, these prices on this shoe will definitely go up, because this is clean, bro. This is clean, man. I actually seen these for the first time at the Kicks for Your Soul event. AJ, Ty 87 Kicks, he had them on feet, and he had like the neon yellow laces in them, and they was hard. They was hard, man. They caught my attention back then, but I still was sleep on them. And Mike Rich kind of put them on my head as far as just reminding me of how dope they was. I seen his video not too long ago, so shout out to him for that, man. Hey, he be making me cop kicks. Y'all be telling me I be making y'all cop kicks, but I guess it's just a cycle, you know what I'm saying? Depending on who you watch, and you just be copping kicks. But yo, man, hey, these are dope, man. They got some decent materials on them. We recently had, bang, the Air Jordan 1 neutral gray lows drop, man. And these two, just both of them were a must. Both of them was a must for your boy. You know what I'm saying? Low life, y'all already know how your boy rocks out. But yes, had to have both of these. I'm gonna pick up all the upcoming lows as far as this style lows, because this style lows, to me, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I think the new style is better, but just the OG, when you get the OG pairs of them, man, I feel like they're more valuable down the line. And all this stuff, to me, I don't know what y'all do with y'all shoes. You know, I rock them, of course, but they all are investments. You know what I'm saying? Someday, you know, your boy's gonna get rid of all this stuff. I can't take it with me. So when I get out of this shoe phase, which I have no foresight of seeing, you know what I'm saying? But whenever I do get to that point, everything going, and I do want to have stuff that I can make back some of my money from. So yo, man, hey, these two both had to definitely add to the collection, because you know your boy is rocking with the low life, man. And on the Ghost Greens, it does have 3M hits on it. I know that the back tab on it back here is 3M right there where the Wings logo is, so it does have little touches of 3M on it. Very dope hits, and you can very faintly see that light tint of Ghost Green. It really can go with what your boy has on. Like, throw what color laces, man? I can throw these lime green laces in them, man. It'll set the whole fit off. Or maybe even some black laces. I think some black laces will look dope in here. Does it come with black laces? Yes, it does. So I think the black laces will make it pop, either these or those lime green laces. I keep looking back here, but let me show them to y'all. But that's the two laces right there that it comes with, lime green and black. And just a dope shoe in my opinion, bro. I like them. I like them. Even the checkerboard look on the tongue where you have the Nike Air, dope to me. You know what I'm saying? I just think this is a clean pair of shoes. And it does have like a sail hit on the tongue where it has that unfinished look, has that yellowish sail look to it, man. But hey, very dope. Let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on these. Is this a pair that y'all picked up or y'all would like to pick up? And if y'all do have these on your mind, make sure you grab them now while the prices are low, because like I said earlier, for sure the prices of these will go up in the future, man. So hey, that's it for this unboxing, man. The Air Jordan 1 low in the Ghost Green colorway. These are fly. These are fly, man. Let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on them. And that's it for this one, man. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button if you ain't subbed up. And y'all stay blessed to the next one. Your boy is checking out with some lows. Low life. But yeah, to the next one, man. I'm gonna catch y'all. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.
Jay making movies. Swab it out, scene, don't shoot it. Sauce with the drip, extra groovy. Jordan 1s cost more than your Gucci's. Plus I doubled up, shot it, so sue me. You can say I'm in my bag, no Louis. Greatness in my jeans, no Truey. It be bangers only, I'm reviewing. Bangers on bangers, I'm popping now. Jay on no roll, ain't no stopping now. Whip out them laces, we bopping now. You know the name is to swap it out. Bangers on bangers, I'm copping now. Jay on the roll, ain't no stopping now. Whip out them laces, we bopping now. You know the name is to swap it out.